So today we're gonna come back to our bully paper, guys. And remember, we're just going baby steps. So you only have to do one thing today, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna do. So last week, if you remember, you went through the story and you highlighted 3 reasons. So if you said you're gonna stay out of it, you highlighted 3 reasons in this section. If you said you're gonna step in, you highlighted 3 reasons in this section. Now, what you're going to, and I then you guys submitted it and I gave you the reasons so they match up and they're the same. Now, what you're going to do today is just this. You are going to pick your first reason. So, again, if you said, I'm staying out of it, go to the first reason you chose as to why you're staying out of it, and we're going to start our second paragraph with that reason. So if you chose, I'm stepping in to help, you also go to your first reason that you chose, and we're going to begin our second paragraph. Because if you remember, our first paragraph is the hook and the thesis statement. Now, here's what you're going to do today. It is very simple, so keep it simple. You're going to choose your first reason, and you're going to come down here. Now, I'm going to show you this, and you're going to need to refer back to this. You're going to have to use these transition phrases, okay? So you're going to choose your first reason, and you're going to choose one of these transition phrases to use, okay? Now, this is your first reason. So obviously you wouldn't choose this second, or you wouldn't say thirdly, but you might say to begin with. That would be a great one. Or one reason is, so technically you only have 3 options here. You're going to either start with first, which is incredibly boring. I do not recommend that. I would either use to begin with, or one reason is. To be honest, I would probably use to begin with. That sounds so much better. So choose probably this one, and then write your first reason. So to begin with, and then you're going to give your first reason. Now, after you've done that, you need to provide some personal evidence. Okay, something personal from your life experience. So after you're done with that first sentence that starts with to begin with, and then you give your reason that you highlighted, you're going to put a period after that. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to say, for example, in fact, as evidence, and you can choose any of these. Okay? So do that, and then you're going to end up with probably 2 to 3 sentences. Maybe a little more, depends on how you write your sentences. But that's all you're doing today. So, just to recap, you guys already highlighted your reasons. You're going to pick your first reason, and you're going to start with this phrase, give your reason, then come over here after that first sentence, and you're going to choose one of these phrases, and you're going to give some personal experience, okay? And then that's it. Now, you might be thinking now, well, where in the world do I put this? Well, go to Google Classroom, and if you remember, if you go to writing, go down to where it says bully argumentative opinion paper / opinion paper. Click on that, and it's that document I gave you. So open up this document right here. And then what you should have on it already is your hook and thesis, your first paragraph. And then beneath that, you're going to tab over, and you are going to write your second paragraph, which is simply what we've been talking about. Your first reason, use this phrase to begin it, and then add on your reason. Then come over here, use one of these phrases, and then add on some personal evidence and experience from your life. And that's it.